In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with Klarna on Amazon. We all know how convenient shopping on Amazon can be, but sometimes having additional payment options makes the experience even better. Klarna is one such option that allows you to manage your purchases flexibly. Let's dive into how you can use Klarna to pay for your Amazon purchases. To begin, make sure you're logged into your Amazon account. Being logged in is essential for making any purchases, as it ensures your details are saved and ready for checkout. Now, once you're on Amazon's homepage and all set, it's time to go shopping. For this example, let's consider buying something like a stainless steel water bottle. Once you've found the product you want, go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the product page where you'll find all the necessary details. Ready to buy? Click on Buy Now. You'll be directed to the checkout page where you can finalize your purchase. On the left-hand side, you'll notice a section dedicated to your delivery information, including your address and pickup location if that's applicable. It's always good to double check these details so everything is correct. Following this, you'll see the payment method options. Under payment method, you'll find several options provided by Amazon, such as adding a new credit or debit card or linking a bank account for direct payments. Now, if Klarna is available in your area, you'll notice it as one of the listed payment options. If you see Klarna there, just select it and follow the simple on-screen instructions to complete your transaction with ease. Now, what happens if you don't see Klarna as a payment method on Amazon? No worries, there's an alternative way to use it. You'll need to visit the Klarna app or their website to create a temporary virtual card. This card will act as a proxy between Klarna and Amazon. Once you have your Klarna virtual card ready, it's time to head back to your Amazon checkout page. Here, you'll click on Add a credit or debit card. Enter the details of the virtual card, just as you would with any other card. Fill out the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Once that's done, you can proceed with your purchase. The transaction will be processed via Klarna, and the funds will be deducted according to the payment plan you selected with Klarna. And that's all you need to know. Now you're well equipped to pay with Klarna on Amazon, whether directly through the payment methods list or by using a Klarna virtual card. I hope this walkthrough was clear and helpful for you. Thanks for tuning in, and happy shopping.